This is a two-part video. The first part you will hear the message from our galactic brother, Antarel the Apunian. The second part Oribel shares her views of their message and what we can do. As with all channeled messages, please take only what resonates with you, and leave the rest behind. And as a reminder, please take some time quietly, for a while, taking in new messages. The more quiet time you spend integrating the energies transmitted from these messages, the more benefit and transformation you will receive from them. Our mind already knows the information that is being transmitted, but it is the heart that can always receive it at higher levels of understanding. Any spiritual messages and transmission of light from any ascended beings are meant to be integrated through the heart, otherwise they will be of little benefit to you. The mind can only hear it but cannot integrate it. The heart can choose and can take action by applying the relevant information for our growth and our evolution. Please enjoy.
Not all of humanity consciousness is shifting to the fourth density. The awakened ones will find themselves questioning their motives, their purpose, their way of doing things. They will be guided by their higher consciousness to live and do things differently. This is a natural progression. So we ask those who are finding themselves in this new phase of life to be less critical and judgmental of themselves. Instead, go easy on yourself and listen to that inner voice that guides you step by step on your evolution. You are approaching new territory. It is one that you were familiar with before you arrived on your planet to play many roles when it was of lower third density consciousness. There may still be remnants of the third density survival attributes lingering in your consciousness. Continue releasing them as you establish a foothold that you are comfortable with. Know that you are creating the new each day with your new perspectives. You have never had this much freedom to create before. We ask you to use your feelings of joy, freedom, camaraderie, what feels good and right, ease, grace and gratitude. These energies will see you through as you placed both your feet on fourth density Earth. Walk with confidence, with love in your heart, knowing that you are not alone. Take time each day to be clear, and decide how you plan to live your day, give intent, and then live it. Make adjustments to your perspectives, your thoughts, words, feelings and actions so they are aligned to the new you are creating for your soul, and this planet of higher density. This is how it shall be for a time. Be a circle of love for yourself, and the planet each day. And you'll be doing the planet and the universe a great favor. This is awakening to your mastery. The fourth density, fifth dimension and higher realms is about mastery of self and becoming more of your source energy self. Welcome to your new Earth. I am Antarel. We bid you farewell for now. Adonai.
That message from Antarel absolutely resonates with me and explains what many of us may be experiencing at this time. You may be feeling that you want to start something new, or look at new ways of expressing your passions, or you are feeling the urge to expand outside the box of your current role. New and fresh ideas may be popping into your head. I encourage you to go with this flow of new beginnings and new adventures. Feel excited about where you are heading, and most of all, enjoy the journey. You cannot go wrong when you listen to your feelings, as it's a strong and accurate indicator if you're in alignment with your divine plan. And also, know that there are no mistakes, only new choices, new perspectives, and a course correction, if required. and it's going to lead you to new connections, new opportunities, new creations, and new growth. You see, many of us who are tasked with the role of world servers, designated teachers, or way showers are being guided, directed, and inspired to step into our expanded roles in fulfilling our mission. What may hold us back is our limited beliefs, self-doubt, and fear of failure, or even fear of success. These are old programmings and discordant energies from past memories. They keep us small and limited. Instead, continue releasing these energies that do not support our divinity. And then, go quiet and tune in to your inner being. Get clear before you take the next step or make a new move. We have so much support right now. Your spoken intentions and positive affirmations is your permission for the right energies to come through to support you. So speak up and ask, and you will receive. I myself have been experiencing these energies of new beginnings for some time now, and this has led me to create a new program that's very much in alignment with my divine plan and what I'm passionate about. The 7 Sacred Flames of God. That is the title of my new workshop. It is the portal to the 5th dimension. These are teachings from our Lemurian ancestors who survived the Great Flood and are now residing in Telos, the Lemurian city of light of 5th dimension. In this workshop, you will get to work with the energies of Lemuria, Telos, the Ascended Masters, Archangels, your great I Am presence, and the angelic realm. You just cannot ask for more. I invite you to read about it directly from my website. I leave the link below. To everyone, happy holidays. I am Oribel, the new Lemurian. Love and blessings, and Merry Christmas.